Hi, my name is David Leach. I'm the Executive Director here at Fulcrum Biometrics, and today we're going to demonstrate for you our exciting new product, Inmate ID. Inmate ID is perfectly designed to help identify accurately inmates and trustees as they come and go from jails and detention centers. Iris biometric technology is faster and more accurate than fingerprint technology, and it's also contactless. So it's the perfect technology to use if you're trying to make sure that you never release the wrong person. Iris scanning with FbF Inmate ID is a step in the booking process that ensures proper identification and provides a high standard for jail operations. Iris recognition is ideal for high throughput environments that demand speed and accuracy. No two people have the same iris. Iris scanning biometrics measure the unique patterns in the colored circle of the inmate's eye to verify and authenticate their identity. To search by iris, the inmate stands in front of the camera and it takes a picture of the iris in a few seconds. If the iris image matches one in the system, information about the person pops up on a screen along with his or her photo in less than a minute. The scan helps jail workers confirm the identity of people they take into custody and track them throughout their time in the criminal justice system. A jail will do an iris scan during intake. Then even if the inmate leaves for court and is coming back in an hour, the jail can make sure they're sending the correct person to court. To demonstrate Inmate ID, I want to introduce you to Juan Flores. Juan is a career Navy veteran and has been working in the biometric field in the law enforcement space for almost 20 years now. So he's the perfect person to show this to you. He's our law enforcement specialist here at Fulcrum Biometrics. Take it away, Juan.
And what we recommend as part of the booking process is when you're entering and capturing the arrest and demographic data into your RMS or JMS system and capturing a mugshot or photo, that you integrate with the FbF Inmate ID software to eliminate duplicate data entry and push that information over, or you can actually use the Inmate ID station separately and individually and capture that and enter that data directly onto the Inmate ID software. Now I'd like to show you again, once the data is captured in the irises are captured into the software, it's there indefinitely until you delete that. So it'll for individuals who have high recidivism, it'll be easier to identify them in the future by simply walking the individual over to the iris scan and capturing the iris capture station and capturing their irises and get you a rapid identification. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this iris capture FbF ID software. So let me show you, and then I'll show you how to change his status as well. So simply I'm going to walk over here and check in, check out. And now today with me I have a large monitor so you can get an idea of what I'm doing on this side, on the laptop side. An actual laptop with the FbF Inmate ID software and the CMI Tech capture camera here. Now just so you know, the camera, once it's been activated like it is now, it's a red flag, flashes a red light indicating that it's looking for irises. Once I get in the vicinity of that camera, a blue light will appear indicating that it's now searching for the direct iris itself. Once it captures an iris, a green light will illuminate and indicate that the irises have been captured. It happens rapidly, efficiently. The inmate will not blink or anything. It happens just that efficient. So now I'm going to show you how this works. So the camera is blinking now, red. It's adjusting itself, looking for me. It sees the blue light. It captured, the green light captured, flashed. And now as you can see, I'm going to walk around the front here. And as you can see, it's got the inmate's irises, in particular mine. It searched the database. It shows this customer specifically asked for these fields. It shows the individual's photo or mugshot, the individual's first name, middle name, last name, the date of birth, and the inmate type. The inmate type could be a regular inmate status, it could be an ICE inmate, an immigration inmate, or whatever other qualifications he might have. You can identify him that way. The facility he's currently in is Ventura County Jail. His location, he's in cell 5. His physical location is bed 3, and his status is he's currently in the facility and he's got a unique booking number. Now, if there's an occasion where you need to check the individual out because he may have a doctor's appointment, a probation or parole officer's appointment, or a court appearance he has to make, you simply walk over here and see this area here which says check out. You walk over here, you walk the individual to the camera, and I'm going to show you this again to show you how easy that works. You simply walk over here, hit capture again. Remember, his iris is already stored in the database because we stored him upon booking. And you simply walk him over here, capture the irises, the same data demographics pops up. You go down here to the bottom, it says checkout. You simply hit select checkout. It says checked out successfully, and you hit OK. Now the individual, his current status is that he's checked out. When he comes back from those various appointments, you simply follow the same process, capture his irises again, and check his status in from out to in. Or they decide to relocate him within the facility itself, you can change the status from cell 5 to cell 3 or whatever the case might be by the same process, and you have more of an accurate accountability of the individual. Just a couple things here. Inmate ID can be used in jails, detention centers, prisons, border crossings. We have shown Inmate ID at several law enforcement trade shows, and it has been very well received and highly complimented. A couple of benefits here of Inmate ID is it's as quick and as easy as taking the picture, as you've seen earlier. The great thing is contactless. You're not touching the individual like you are when you're having to capture his fingerprints. It streamlines re-enrollment. It's quick, easy, subject to re-enrollment with an audit trail. It queries the records with text-based biographic searches and creates reports. It's faster than fingerprint scans. It's not impeded by glasses or normal contact lenses. And the average search and match takes approximately 1 second, and it reduces paper-based subject identification. Another benefit is Inmate ID can be captured and stored locally or stored on a central site server where other participating agencies can submit, search, and match irises. In closing, I believe iris technology like Fulcrum Biometrics inmate identification is going to continue to grow and is probably the future of biometrics. Thank you for your valuable time, and I look forward to placing your Fulcrum Inmate ID order soon.
Thanks, Juan. If you want to ensure that the wrong inmate is never released from your jail, give us a call here at Fulcrum Biometrics at 210-257-5615, or you can find us at www.fulcrumbiometrics.com. Thank you very much.